Forget the skewers. These juicy air fryer kofta kebabs are packed with herbs and spices, get beautifully charred, and they're ready in about 15 minutes. Start by tossing some onion, fresh parsley, and garlic into a food processor and pulse it until everything's finely chopped. Add that to a pound of ground beef along with cumin, coriander, paprika, oregano, nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Now mix everything together until it's well combined. Press the mixture into an air fryer liner into one big rectangle. Lightly score it in one direction, then cut it into strips going the other way. Give the top a light spray of oil, then air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes or until it reaches 160 Fahrenheit. While that's cooking, toss together chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions with a little olive oil, dill, salt, and pepper. When the beef comes out, it should have a beautiful char on top and break apart into perfect kebabs. Pile them onto a warm pita or naan with a cucumber salad, plenty of tzatziki, and a little crumbled feta. No skewers, no grill, just juicy, flavor-packed kofta with an incredible char right in your air fryer. Favorite gyro or kofta topping? Drop it in the comments. Now hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next Thursday.